What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to complete albums on Monopoly Go quickly and easily. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Monopoly Go app. The easiest way to collect stickers to complete albums is to collect your daily treats. You can see on day 2, day 4, and day 7 that you get stickers automatically if you just sign in. Another easy way to get stickers is to tap the top right corner in the hamburger menu. Next, you're going to tap on Shop. Here at the top, you can see you get little packs. This one's $1.99 and you can purchase it 3 times. That'll give you 6 stickers. You can swipe through and see the different options. This one's $2.99. There's still 3 of 3 available. This one's $4.99, $19.99. And if you swipe all the way to the right, you can see that there's one for free. So go ahead and tap on free. That one didn't give us any stickers, but sometimes they do. It's always good to check it out. So we'll close out of this, and now we'll tap the top left corner to the blue progress bar. Here you can see your upgrades. You can collect points and use these upgrades for a higher chance at getting stickers. Another way to collect stickers is to ask people for help. So we'll tap on album in the bottom right corner. You can tap on any collection here. And any sticker that you don't have, go ahead and tap on it. Now you can ask your friends with the green button. You can select up to 4 friends to ask, and then tap on continue. You can also use the search bar in the top to look for a specific friend to ask from. Another way is to ask in the Facebook group. If you tap on Facebook, it'll automatically bring you to the Facebook group. If you're not joined, you can tap on join. If you are, all you have to do is create a post here. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you get your albums quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.